Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope you all are doing well. So today I'm here with a delicious payasam recipe. As this is the season to cherish mangoes, and why not go with the mango payasam. So here's the ingredients: milk, vermicelli, ghee, condensed milk, sugar, some dry fruits, and here I have took around quarter cup of chopped or sliced almonds, chopped cashews, some raisins and cardamoms too. And here's the mango. So this is raspberry mango from Kuwaitat Lulu, and there was a mango festival going on and there were different varieties of mango. You can use any mango, but make sure that it's stringless. Peel the mangoes and cut them to medium cubes, and we'll be grinding it to a smooth puree. And this is the first time that I used my new Philips mixer, and must say that the blades in the mixer grinder is just awesome. It takes just no time to grind anything, even if it's pepper or cumins or chopping or making purees. So here's how I grinded it to a smooth puree. So the puree is nice and done. It took just 10 to 20 seconds to make a nice puree out of the mango pieces. And next we'll be moving on to the preparation of payasam. So firstly, into the pot we'll be adding 1 liter of milk, next goes in 7 to 8 cloves of green cardamom. We'll let the milk to boil for a few minutes, and next we'll be taking another pan and we'll be roasting out the vermicelli. So for that we'll be adding 2 tablespoons of ghee, and here I am crushing the vermicelli. This is just half a pack, and we'll be adding it to the pan and roasting it well. Keep the flame on medium and roast them well. So here you can see our vermicelli is roasted nicely. Now we'll be turning the flame off and we'll be keeping it aside. Moving back to the milk, we'll be adding around a quarter cup of sugar to it. Now no need of adding quarter cup too, as we'll be adding the condensed milk, and condensed milk itself has a lot of sugar. We'll be adding the sugar and mixing it well. Adding 2 more tablespoons of ghee to the pan for roasting the dry fruits. Roast it on a medium flame and make sure that you don't burn them. In between, keep stirring the milk too, or else the sugar may get caught to the bottom. You can see the raisins have puffed up and has turned to golden brown color. So we'll be turning off the flame and keeping it aside. Meanwhile, coming back to the milk, we'll be adding the roasted vermicelli first. This I'm going to make a thick payasam, So here I have took around 1 liter and 250 ml of milk, and I'm adding half pack of vermicelli. And here goes the nuts. Add them and mix it well. Now next goes in Nestle condensed milk. Now if you want, you can use any other brand too. I simply like this one. Now at this situation, it's better to clean, or I can say wash the tin first and then wipe and then add the condensed milk. So here I'm adding around half or more than half a tin. Keep stirring for a minute, or there is a chance that condensed milk too may get caught at the bottom. So finally goes in the star of the dish, mango puree. As I shown in the video, I just made puree out of one mango, but then I felt that the flavor was little less, so just peeled and cut another mango and made puree out of it and added that too. As I was preparing this for the very first time, so didn't know the exact quantity for it, just tried it and it went nice. Finally garnishing with some saffron and also 1 to 2 tablespoons of ghee. Now this is optional. This may give a good taste and good flavor to the payasam. And here's your payasam ready. Now at first I was not happy with the results, but this tastes best when served chilled. Don't forget to garnish with some chopped mango pieces. Later that evening, husband had got some yummy food from Lulu, and that's an Arabic shawarma platter, and this costed just 9 dirhams, I guess. All the branches of Lulu have the best food counter, but must say the Kuwaitat branch here in Al Ain have the amazing offers, and they never fail to impress me with their food section. And here's the chicken biryani box and I guess this was their Ramadan special, which comes with some savories, fruits, juice and the biryani. That's like a meal, iftar meal. So husband just wanted to check it and got one. This just cost 10 dirhams, I guess, and was delicious. So here comes an end to the video. Hope you all like the mango paysam recipe. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and please don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you. Bye bye.